Hey friends, if you wish to know what a good download and upload speed is, now for basic browsing, I would say that you need at least 25 Mbps these days. Now you may say that it's too much, but the thing is that internet has changed now, and if you're watching YouTube or something, this is the minimum that you need. As for upload speeds, you can keep it at 10 Mbps. That is somewhat sufficient. Okay, so this is for good download and upload speeds for general browsing and watching videos. But what if you're gaming? So for gaming, you will have to make sure that the download speed is 100 Mbps. If it requires a specific upload, which I don't think, then you will have to check for the speed for it accordingly. But mostly gaming does not require uploads, so that's why I won't mention the upload speed here. But if you have any specific requirements, then you can check the upload speed as per those requirements. But for gaming, you need at least 100 Mbps. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.